What if I told you that the difference between someone buying every single offer you create and buying just one or none at all comes down to a single idea? But first, who am I? I'm Elise, and over the last 7 years, I've helped coaches, course creators, and membership owners build and optimize their funnels to create consistent sales for them. I have done this behind the scenes as a conversion copywriter, and I've also done it in my own business. So I have written sales pages, emails, landing pages, basically all the pieces of a funnel that you can think of. I have written, and they have contributed to my clients having six-figure launches and having multi-six-figure evergreen funnels. Now, in my own business, I am actively running ads every single day, spending thousands of dollars each month getting new customers into my own funnels. I've sold over 5,000 digital products, and many of my customers go on to purchase multiple offers from me. So I've seen what works. I know what works, both from behind the scenes and also on the front line in my own business. And in this video, I am going to show you exactly what I have learned about how to make a funnel work, not just once, but every single day. Here is what we are going to cover. You are going to learn how to create the staircase effect so that every single step in your funnel feels like a really natural next step. We're going to map out your funnel into a system. So you don't just have these random offers that you're selling, but you actually have this really natural system that flows and generates consistent sales for you. And I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at my exact funnel flow and how it naturally leads into my core offer and also a higher ticket program that I'm going to be launching soon. So if that sounds good to you, then let's get into it. Okay, what is this staircase effect? The staircase effect is this thing that happens when people buy not just one offer from you, but they buy multiple offers from you. They essentially ascend from the bottom of the staircase right up to the top of the staircase. Now, the way that we do this is through a X and Y logic. I'll show you what this looks like. So the logic is that you need X, but you cannot have X without Y. And this works at every stage of your funnel. So first of all, you're going to have a freebie, and then you're going to have a low ticket offer. That low ticket offer could also be the entry point to your funnel. So your freebie can be an entry point, your low ticket offer can be an entry point, but you can also use your low ticket offer as a tripwire where someone grabs a freebie. So if you will know if you've ever put your email address in to get a freebie before, and then you get taken to another page that says, oh wait, there is a limited time offer I'd love to give you, that is a tripwire. So you can use your low ticket offer there. You can also use it as an entry point into your funnel and run ads directly to that low ticket. Typically this would be a $7 or $9 offer. I have personally sold $7 offers, not with the purpose of making this wild profit off the $7 offer, but off the rest of the funnel where people ascend up the staircase. So the logic here is really simple. I need X, I need this freebie, but I also need Y. So here, someone will get the low ticket offer and then head to your checkout page. They're about to check out. And if you've ever seen a bump offer before, that's where they will go down and then see, oh, I need to also grab this thing. I'll show you what this looks like in my own funnel in a moment, but the same is true as when they purchase the low ticket offer. They might tick, yes, I want the bump offer, and then they get taken to another page with a one-time upsell. And this one-time upsell isn't a random offer. It is an offer that they should need because these two offers created a gap, and the gap is solved with the upsell. And then similarly with a high ticket offer, again, there is a gap created where, okay, I need X, but I also need to have Y here. And I cannot have Y, I cannot have X without having Y. I cannot have this without having this. And so people ascend up the staircase, so to speak. You'll see here I have an entry point. First of all, we've got a freebie, which is a sales page checklist. And then we have another entry point, which is my sales page builder board. And the sales page builder board is an offer, low ticket offer that I am running ads to, and it is a $7 offer. If I download a sales page checklist, that creates a new issue for me. I need to actually be able to write the sales page, and I can't know the pieces of a sales page without Y, and Y is my sales page builder board that helps me actually create the sales page. This logic is shown all the way up this funnel. So first of all, we've got maybe someone purchases the sales page builder board. This logic for the bump offer would be you can't have a sales page without launch emails. So then my bump offer is AI launch emails. So it's launch email prompts so that they can write all of their launch emails using AI fast. But you cannot have a sales page on its own. You also need this AI launch email sequence. So it makes your next offer a must-have, not a nice-to-have, not a random offer that could be nice and could work for me, but they feel compelled to purchase it because it will actually help solve this issue here. So we've got a sales page, but you need to drive traffic to it. You're going to need emails in order to send people to it. Then the next logic here is you can't have emails and a sales page without having funnel envy. Now, funnel envy is my core offer. It helps coaches, course creators, membership owners, school owners build and optimize a funnel that creates consistent sales for them, and it gives them the tools and it gives them the support to do this. So if we apply the X and Y logic with this, you can't have a sales page and you can't have launch emails without having all of the other pieces of a funnel that are essential. Landing pages, a freebie, traffic, a whole offer suite, and also the support, for example, me as an expert reviewing your content to let you know if you're on the right track, to answer your questions. So that is where the gap is created. They purchase this offer, they need launch emails. They purchase this offer, now they need to plug in and fill in the gaps for the rest of their funnel and also get support to know they're doing it right. So therefore, that is us ascending the customer up the staircase. Then the next step, which I am going to be introducing this new offer soon, will be my high ticket offer, a mastermind. The logic here is for those who really want to scale up their funnel, who want a funnel that is so custom to them. Okay, so you can't have a custom funnel without a custom solution, and that is going to be the mastermind, where I will be giving every single member in there a personalized plan. I'll be working with them and giving them advice on their specific next step. So here I'm showing you what a funnel looks like. I'm giving you feedback on your different pieces. But here, if you want something that is more personalized, this would go a step further in terms of we're creating a custom plan for you. Now that is what we solve inside the mastermind. So you will see that each step of this staircase solves that logic of I cannot have X without having Y. I can't have a sales page without actually knowing how to build it, being able to build it. I can't sell my offer on a sales page without having launch emails that lead people to it. I can't have a funnel with just a sales page and launch emails. I need the other pieces and I need support to make it work. I can't have a really personalized plan inside this offer, so I'm going to get the personalized plan inside here that is going to be custom and personalized to me. Now, what does this look like for you? You're probably wondering. I want you to look at your own offers and you can ask yourself, what is the essential missing piece at each stage? How is this offer solving the offer before it? How can I make my funnel feel like a staircase instead of just a collection of random products? Because when you do that, your offers stop feeling disconnected and they start leading people naturally from one offer to the next offer to the next offer. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe to my channel and drop a comment letting me know what offers you currently have in your funnel. If you have any questions about what I've shared today, please drop a comment as well with your question and I will do my best to answer them. Now, if you want to be able to get the tools and the support you need to build and optimize a funnel that converts for you consistently, whether you are starting from scratch, whether you've tried to build a funnel before and failed, or whether you have a funnel but you just need to optimize it to get it working a little bit better, then I encourage you to check out my program Funnel Envy. It's hosted on the School platform. I will include a link for that down below so you can hit that link and check it out. Thank you so much for watching.